How to become wiser. Here are 9 things to kick you off. Be humble. If you think you know it all, there is nothing left to learn. Humility is a foundational element of wisdom because you have to believe that you have room to grow, be better, and expand. Expand your social exposure significantly. Spend time with people who are different than you are, in every conceivable way. Cultures, religion, incomes, beliefs, values, orientations, economic backgrounds, etc. Don't be one of those people only following people on social media who believe exactly like they do. The echo chamber is comfortable, but constraining to growth. Limit toxicity. People who do not support you, or are negative/toxic will derail your focus. With these people, you are so busy surviving their barms, that you have no time/energy for growth. The saying "a rising tide lifts all boats" is true. Great people support and foster the greatness in you too. Be willing to go to emotionally hard places. Whether that is challenging your beliefs, seeking therapy, dealing with physical/emotional pain, or letting go of things in your past. True growth is hard work and requires significant challenge. Expansion requires effort. Practice gratitude. Thanking others when they give to you, and recognizing your own good fortune is important to understanding the things that matter. Be an autodidactic person. Be self-motivated to learn and ready to seek out the information in books, video, and in-person conversation. Be open and willing to teach yourself new things all the time. Keep learning, growing, and becoming better at expanding your skills, knowledge in person. Learn from mistakes. Every human will make mistakes, but if you learn from the ones you make, and ideally the ones others make too, you're in a far better position to thrive. There is a great saying that men don't drown by falling in the water, they drown by staying there. The truth. Learn from your falls in the water, and pop up ready to not make the same mistake twice. Give back. Get involved in a cause or organization and make a difference. Help underserved children, animal adoption agencies, modify a home for a disabled soldier, or reach out to give in other ways. Wisdom through action is recognition that we have good fortune to share, and inspires others to do the same. Always give 100%. Giving your all demonstrates the value you place on all things. Have the integrity to give yourself to even mundane tasks. Don't sloppily wash your dishes, complete your work requirements, or give half-hearted efforts. Value the world around you and your place in it.